warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, good morning. Welcome to our class. I'm so excited today to welcome you to our tutorial online. Mahasiswa Universitas Terbuka yang saya cintai dan saya banggakan. Hari ini, it will be the first session in our tutorial online. We are going to talk about the economical terminology from A to B. What is that? We are going to talk about option. Option, the definition of option, the example of option, and also some cases and problem issue around you will find it. Mahasiswa Universitas Terbuka yang saya cintai dan saya banggakan. Di sesi pertama, kita akan memiliki diskusi yang di dalamnya terdapat sebuah kasus yang diminta Ananda bisa memberikan jawaban dengan kata-kata Ananda sendiri. So first one, originalitas. Bagaimana Ananda bisa membangun argumen yang beserta fakta, contoh, dan dikaitkan dengan kehidupan sehari-hari. So, what will happen in a marketplace as the buyers and also sellers and also the agent of in a company and also economy, digital technology now. So you will find that case when you join in one of the economic activities. It's really exciting if we talk about this. So don't miss it, do your best on your discussion and see you in the next session. I'm so excited and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day. Bye. See ya.